Hello, this is my Nuevo Toledo Plastic Problem Project. The abstract. The text exposes about putting a new law proposed by the Nuevo Toledo citizens about reducing and taking out all of the plastic bags and replacing them by like a plastic product called Shrilk. And this law will be enforced to put in all the fabricaries and the things that made plastic in Nuevo Toledo. The context is that there's a lot of history of things that happen with plastic in nowadays, and we don't even care. There's like the remain average for plastic is 400 years. We as humans think that plastic have helped us in our lives, like to carry things, to pack things, but the result of plastic is very, very bad. And this problem is a very, very heavy problem nowadays, and we don't even seem to care about it when it's like ending our world. In here, currently humans today produce almost 300 million tons of plastic a year and recycle only 3% of it, making the other 97% pure waste. And this goes into the oceans, like in the air, like the animals. There's endless things that I can say to you, like the things that plastic damage in our environment, and we like really, it seems like we don't care, like we are doing nothing about it. My hypothesis is if the citizens of Nuevo Toledo came together and resisting using plastic bags and urged for a change in the law of corporations, then companies will switch into producing shrink plastic bags, and therefore the percentage of waste will be reduced. My methodology was qualitative information. The first interviews, I did the interviews to the SAS students, and these interviews helped me a lot. Previously, like things saw in class, like the presentations that gave us a teacher, and government databases online searching. The results is that I think we're gonna have very good results. According to the SAS students that we interview, they all think that this is a very good idea. They say Roberto Garcia, the solution of shrink plastic, is also very supported because he said that everything that doesn't end up in a landfill or in the ocean will obviously do good to our system. With Ana Puente, she expressed the main danger of plastic, it ends up in the ocean, therefore it's a food chain, so this will help if there's like everybody use shrink bags, then it will not be plastic and that won't go into the ocean and it won't damage all the animals. And with Grace Vargas, she agreed that humans produce an excessive of productional level of waste, and they should actually create this by far. So that is my solution. My solution is like to implement a new law in Nuevo Toledo that all the plastic bags should be changed by the shrink material, and this will be decomposed, and it's not the same as plastic, and it won't take the years, and it won't take the years like the plastic takes to get rid of, and this is very cool. My conclusion is that if all the citizens of Nuevo Toledo encourage this law and it will take action, this would be a very good change, and all of the cities will see Nuevo Toledo like as a green city and would want to do the same thing, so we can be like the model of the rest of the cities. If this turns out good, like all of the cities want to do it, and if all of the cities do put this law and implement this new solution, I will assure you that the world will be better. Thank you.